These are the craziest drivers of this week. Let's go. You should never ride somebody's bumper or you could end up exactly like this Nissan Juke driver. Instant karma is coming for the driver as the guy in front swerves and he crashes. Based on when he swerved, was that intentional? Watch this road rager get some instant karma when he decides to pick on the bigger vehicle. The driver thinks he's going to be able to pump fake the flatbed into crashing out. He does crash out, but not into a wall, rather at the road rager. He sends him into the dirt and then runs away. Look at the battle between this Mustang and the speed police. As they speed through the hills, they're both being reckless, until the Mustang almost loses it trying to overtake. He uses some of his brain and gets in the right lane. Would you run away from a crash if it wasn't your fault? Pay close attention to the Chrysler 300 and the car that changes lanes into him. Maybe if they checked their blind spots, they would have had better luck. Witness this insane truck accident. It all happens because of an illegal overtake, which goes terribly wrong, causing them to burst open like a piñata. You should never street race or you could cause an accident just like this. As a flying by BMW passes this Jeep, the Jeep takes off, not because of the wind though, but rather another driver. She slides to a gradual stop before the driver reveals himself. Should they be jailed? If you enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe button for more of these videos. See ya!